Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set standard rate in Freshbooks. Once on Freshbooks, I want you to go over to the left-hand column and you're just going to tap on Projects. After selecting Projects, you'll tap right where you see Create New in the top right-hand column. And from there, you have two options. You can either set a flat rate that you would like to charge, or you could set an hourly project rate. So for instance, if we were to select hourly project rate, once you have selected that, all you need to do is create a sample project. So for instance, you could fill in a project name, so you could call this test project. Then from there, you could just assign it to a random client. And after doing that, you can set up the end date and you could add a service right there. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on set billable rate. And this is where you'll be able to set the standard rate that you would like to charge. So you can select hourly rate right there, or you could select team members rate or service rate. So you have three different options. Once you're finished doing that, you'll tap on done. Then you'll just tap on save. And from now on, whenever you are creating a project, you'll automatically have your standard rate set already just by creating this sample project. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.